Hey everyone, you help keep Georgia beautiful, but sometimes damaged client property, injuries, or even other things related to your business. What if we could help keep your business properly insured or even save you money? Hey everyone, Dolan Jablonski again with the Oak Insurance Group, and we help landscapers keep their business properly insured, right, when it comes to BOPs or business owners policy. And we're going to spend today talking about what are business owners policies, what they cover, what they don't cover, how they work, the importance of them, and why you, as a landscaping company, should have them for your business, okay? So let's talk about what they are. You commonly hear them referred to as BOPs, B-O-P, right? They have two common components, general liability and commercial property. So GL, general liability, commercial property. Your general liability, as I referenced before in the beginning, right? You damage clients' property. What does that mean? If you're doing work and you're mowing someone's lawn and a rock shoots up and destroys their beautiful plate glass window and it's $20,000. It's an example of general liability. Commercial property could be the property in which you own for your business. Now we're going to get into a little bit deeper about how you can ensure that specifically inside of the BOP or the business owner's policy. Now, the best part of a BOP is that it's a package policy, right? You can insure both of those inside of the policy, so you're getting your best bang for your buck type of coverage. Now, what doesn't a BOP cover? So it's not commercial auto, okay? It's not workers' compensation, it's not an umbrella, and it's not inland marine. So going back to my point of commercial property, inland marine is a separate coverage where you can insure property, but for example, on your trucks or on your trailer, okay? So you can still insure a BOP, right, and get a ton of coverage, but there are things that the BOP doesn't cover. Now, something else the BOP doesn't cover, and that's professional liability. So if you're doing consulting, if you're an arborist, if you're doing deeper or more specific things inside of your business as a landscaping contractor, as you can see behind me here, right? You see some trees, you see shrubs, right? If you're doing other things related than just tree trimming, cutting grass, that's not always covered inside of a BOP. And so we can talk about other policies that can provide you coverage for that. But the best part of the business owner's policy is that it can help save you money. It can provide the most broad of coverage for your business. It is the most important policy your business can buy to insure your business. Whenever we talk to landscape contractors, it's the most vital piece of business. Bigger part, the most vital policy you gotta have. You gotta have it for your business, right? And there are a lot of contractors who don't understand what it is, and that's okay. That's why you come talk to us, and we're gonna help you navigate what that is, right? That's why you have an agent. We're gonna help you do that, okay? Now, in conclusion, let's talk about, again, a BOP, business owner's policy, combines general liability and commercial property. It is not commercial auto, it is not an umbrella, it is not workers' compensation, it is not inland marine, and it is not professional liability, okay? But what it is the most vital aspect for insurance inside of your business, okay? We help lawn businesses, contractors throughout the state of Georgia for all aspects of their insurance, and most importantly, a business owner's policy. So we're asking every lawn business throughout the state, go to www.theoakinsurancegroup.com, call 404-981-1519, and we're gonna help you review your policy, make sure you're properly insured, look for cost savings, make sure your business, the most important part of your business for your insurance, is done right. Make sure you have the correct BOP. If there are other aspects of your insurance, make sure you're properly insured. Dolan Jablonski with the Oak Insurance Group. We look forward to speaking.